watching Unka here on Afia TV. We are broadcasting live on DSTV channel 254 and GoTV channel 17. So it's not time for us, to have that nostalgic feeling. Yeah, let's be a little bit nostalgia right here on the show tonight. I said that I've got someone who dropped something, and it wasn't just that. He has been dropping songs, like he has so many hits to himself. So let me ask a quick one. How many of you can still remember the song? You all know by now that I'm not a good singer. So pardon me anyhow I sing this song. Just bear with me and, my God-given awesome voice. So how many of you can still remember my fiancé, Boreke baby, to me get my fiancé? And there's a part that say she's supposed to take me to altar. My fiancé, during Mutiye Munagota. So how many of you can still remember the song? It was a hit back then in 2010. Until this very moment, it's still a hit because once you play it, you see so many persons relating to the song. So I stumbled on someone's comment, and the person said that this particular song is a warning and prophetic message that we did not take very serious, because if you listen to the story, narrated in that song, you're going to understand this person's comment. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us tonight is no other than the one and the only Kporonge, the singer of this song, Kporonge Baby, in the person of Obona Victor Chukwemeka, aka Mr. Chukwuebuka, don't mind me, aka Mr. Sultan.
My fiancé Kporonge baby, she became a girl. My fiancé Kporonge baby, she became a girl. She became girl.
Okay, she became girl. So why is that sounding like she became a girl?
No, musically, the way you pronounce something might be different from as in how you say it's physical. So she became a girl.
Oh, she became a girl.
Yeah.
I mean, I was busy. You know what I've been singing?
You be singing she became a girl.
She became. So I was like, what is she became a girl? And see, I'm very bad with lyrics, and the worst part is that I'm not always patient, to go check out the song, the lyrics, and learn it. Yeah. So it's just that one that I understand. That's what I'm just going to. Anyone that clicks, that's what I'm going to go with. So because you are physically here, let me just apologize. Sorry for murdering your song, but I also murder other people's songs. So,
it's all good.
I don't know when this apology is going to stop, because I have so many persons to apologize to. I started, you are doing good. I don't need to ask you how you are doing, like me looking at you. So what's happening? Like, what is the secret, to this handsomeness, this cool vibe, this positive energy, this glowing? You are glowing.
Actually, the secret is God.
The secret is God.
I can't say much. God is able. God has been so good.
Is God your skincare?
God cares about me, and I care about myself as well.
Okay.
Well, I give all credit to God Almighty.
Okay.
He's been so good to me all this while.
It's really amazing, finally meeting this person that gave us the song. That's not the only song you gave us, Sha. You have other songs that you gave us. So I want to ask, because that's Kporonge Baby song. If someone listened to it, I don't know, it's like something everybody can easily relate to, because all of us, one way or the other, we don't chop breakfast.
Exactly.
Whether you
Exactly. Even me too, I chop up.
Oh, you too, you chop breakfast.
I chop breakfast.
Collect enough to chop.
All man don't chop out. Everybody chop out.
So
I sang it out of experience as well. Even though I was still growing, but
how did you know what I was going to ask you? Yeah, I want to ask you if that story was a true story or it was a fabricated one, because we see musicians, coming up with different stories, but the ones that are not real, just to sell a particular song, a particular bit. So that story, was it real? Did it ever happen?
It happened, but it was.
You added
it was when I was in secondary school. I think I met this girl that I love so much. We were in the same class. You know what?
Love her,
should I say it's just should I say secondary school love? I was still growing then, but at the same time I loved her so much. Why I wanted to marry her.
In secondary school?
I can't lie to you.
Imagine
understand. Me.
How?
SS2, I was promising a girl I want to marry you.
It's not a wet thing, because I remember then in my secondary school, we had this couple that time. I'm not going to call their name, because the most surprising thing right now is that two of them, they are married, but not to each other, to different persons. So then the other one would always buy flowers, gifts for the other person.
Exactly.
And they were not calling themselves husband and wife.
Exactly.
So that was
that
something
type
that
of
happened
love.
to you.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it happens that after secondary school,
Mm-hmm.
women are girls. Should I say girls are always faster than men? Women are faster. So she was like, I don't think we can continue. And watching yourself, I don't think you can marry me because before you even get to that stage of marriage,
Yeah.
I must have become old. So all those things. She had reasons, but she broke my heart.
But she broke
She had her reasons, but she broke my heart.
So because of that,
I can't lie to you. Yeah. I decided to just
entered the studio and said, okay, let's do this.
Exactly.
Let me use
that was the inspiration. That was the source of inspiration.
Just the inspiration behind
course,
that song.
yeah.
But you added some pepper and salt now. The part of anyway, Sha, yeah, you didn't really add pepper and salt that much because she said she's about to take you to the altar. She
took me to Gota. She put me to Gota, inside Gota. Yeah, exactly.
Baby.
That was just the lyrics I composed by myself.
Wow.
Then we were two. I had a second artist then, a rapper.
Okay.
But I'm the singer. So I was the person that normally writes all the songs. But he's a rapper, Sha. So, but we are two.
Okay.
So it was after the song I went solo, after the whole thing.
Okay.
But during the Kporonge period, we were two. So I was the singer, he was the rapper. But I sang Kporonge from A to Z. It was my story.
Yeah.
We bargained and I did it myself.
So what does Kporonge mean? Is it an Igbo word?
Kporonge is actually a slang. It's just something that came inside me. That song is spiritual.
So you coined that word, Kporonge?
Of course, yeah. Just like an inspiration that came inside me. Kporonge is just like a slang. It's like a heartbreaker.
Okay.
It wasn't existing anywhere before. It's just something that I just composed within myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about your second? Where is he right now? Is
he's doing well.
Okay.
I think he sings high life music as well now.
So you, after dropping Kporonge, you just disappeared. No. You see, it's high time we start holding you musicians accountable because you could just come in, you drop one very dope mad jam, and before know what's happening, you go solo. You tell me, I have some personal problems I'm dealing with. I understand you have some personal problems you're dealing with, but did you also put us into consideration before going solo? So what happened in your own case? Like, why did you disappear from the scene? Don't you are back now, but why that's quietness, like why that silence for a while?
Well, actually, I did not stop singing. Music is challenging sometimes.
In what aspect
music
for you?
needs fund, you understand?
Okay.
And at the time when we sang Kporonge, it was CDs then. Normally we go to Alaba and give marketers our song to market for us. But at a point, music was like, going to different dimension. And this time around, you need a promoter, you need a sponsor, you need a record label to go far. So I was in a record label all this while, I can't lie to you.
Okay.
We did our best, I can't lie. But at the same time, this thing involves millions of naira. Like, involves millions. If I tell you that a single song to blow in Nigeria, to blow up to that extent, might eat like 100 million naira, you might not believe, just a single song.
$1 million. The $1 million, is it for
100 million naira.
Okay, 100 million.
Yes.
Is it for the production,
the
marketing,
the promotion, the marketing, everything that is involved?
Okay.
So that thing brought many challenges to many artists in Nigeria. You understand the monetary aspect of it. So, but at the same time, I was in music. I was into music. I was still in music.
Yeah, but it just felt like you just had to.
It's not like I was there, but should I say the push wasn't that massive. But I was still dropping something. I did song with Flavor forever.
No, don't rush. Yeah,
okay.
We need to
So I've been dropping songs all this while, but a song you drop and if you don't push it the way you're supposed to push it, it might not get to the audience. But people.
I'm thinking that if you drop something that really resonates with people, you're still going to do your marketing,
of course,
your promotion.
Yeah.
But if people can easily click to it, it also helps as well.
Yeah, it helps. But at the same time, you got to put your own effort.
Okay.
You have to make people vibe to it.
Okay.
Like my record label, we pushed. I give credit to him. He's a very nice man. We did our best. But at the same time, it was so challenging because let me keep that aside. I don't want to talk about everything here.
What do you mean by that? Excuse me. Here on Eka, we don't reserve secrets. Like we'll say. So what was that thing that you didn't want to say?
Actually, nothing more. It's just that sometimes the fund might not be there. Sometimes it might be there.
Okay, and
sometimes it's fund issue. You understand? So, but my record label, the former record label, they did their best.
They did their best. Are you still with them?
Actually, I'm free from them now.
You're free from them. The way you said you're free from them.
Like
something.
No.
Okay.
We are in good terms.
Okay.
All true. Yeah.
Okay, no bad blood.
No. We are like family.
Okay.
But at the time, the agreement is I think is done. Like It's expired. So,
it's expired. Okay,
yeah,
so everybody had to
of
go
course.
their separate ways.
Exactly.
Okay, regardless of these challenges, I'm still happy that you were able, amidst all of this, to have yourself an amazing run with your career, because so far so good. You've worked with some of the best artists that we have in the Nigerian music industry, talking about the likes of Flavor, Rude Boy, Duncan Mighty, Wagga J, and the list goes on and on and on.
A lot of
so,
them, yeah.
How were you able to pull this off with that big challenge? I call it a stumbling block. How were you able to pull these collaborations off and make sure that the water didn't swallow you and you were also on top of your game? Because there is something that is very, very common with the industry. The music industry is highly competitive and ever evolving.
Exactly.
So it needs extra
ordinary
work.
efforts. Yeah.
Aside, money aside, you as an individual, your career as well. So how have you been, keeping up with this to make sure that you follow the pace?
Just like I said, everything's about money. The videos we shoot, we spend money. Everything we spending. So if you don't have money, I want to advise you, if you don't have that fund, don't go into music now.
Wait,
basically,
are you discouraging?
No, I'm not discouraging anybody, but the music has come to a certain level whereby if you don't have that fund, the song you're talking about, Rude Boy, Flavor, and co, we spend a lot of money. The money we spend there, man, I can't mention.
Wait, is it that this money, when you spend it, you don't make it back?
One thing about music is should I say, is sometimes it's luck. You might do a song thinking that song might become a hit. At the end of the day, it might not go anywhere. So that's music. Just like should I say, it's like it's try your luck. Just if you try your luck, if it goes, sometimes you might even push music with billions of naira, it might not still go. Depending, you might still put small money. The music will go.
It's just
so all those things, should I say,
it's just more like a game of luck.
Sometimes a game of luck, yeah.
Okay.
But it's good to put out a good music first. Then watch what's gonna happen. If you didn't go, then you've done your best. Your record label as well need to do their best. Then at the end of the day, if the music did not go well, then we'll find the next song.
So you've given enough credit to your record label, for pushing you out there, encouraging you. Are there other key players, that contributed in a very tremendous manner to you and your career?
Yeah, I was a Hillbank Music. That was the record label. Let me just give a credit to Hillbank Music. The name is Hillbank Music, based in South Africa. So that was the record label. I've been there for like many years. I understand before. So I think I'm giving the credit to him, man. He did well.
Okay.
I think I'm experienced. I'm more experienced now than before. You understand? So I think whatever happens in life is a kind of it's a kind of experience. So it makes you better. You understand? So I can see myself as a better person now. So I can face any challenge now, and I'm going to win it. So
now you are an independent artist.
Really, I've been an independent artist like for a while now.
Okay.
But I'm still coming with a new record label as well.
Oh, so there's something new coming through.
Exactly.
Okay, we're going to be talking about that. Let's go on a short break. When we come back, we'll definitely continue. Welcome back. You are still watching Inka, and tonight it's all about Assorted, the crooner of Kporonge Baby. Yeah, I still have him locked in here in the studios of Afia TV for tonight's edition of Inka. So before we went on that short break, you were talking about this new record label that is still work in progress. So what stage are we on with that?
Okay, first of all, I've been working in the studio all this while, and I don't think am I to come here because I don't think I'm supposed to talk about everything here on this program.
Okay.
Or should I say everything now?
Yeah. Who are you reserving them for?
All right, I'm working on a new song.
Okay.
So I'll be dropping a new song very soon.
Like how soon is it gonna be out?
This October.
Oh, this
My
October.
My birthday is 21st October.
Hey.
So I think before then, or maybe then, I'll drop a new single.
Okay.
So we've been on it. So actually, with a new movement entirely. new management entirely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you are unveiling the song, you're also unveiling the new management.
Of course.
Everything.
Yeah.
Why don't you just leave that maybe on October 21? I'm just thinking. Yeah, so it could be like a bit the guilt, something of that nature.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm just dropping my 2 cents. I know you didn't ask for it. Well, let me just drop it. So before this new project that you're going to be dropping by October 21, we have a body of work called Rebirth by you.
Yeah.
And, we all know what rebirth means ordinarily.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's also synonymous with the name of this EP, because I want to know why you named that body of work Rebirth.
Rebirth.
Yeah.
Okay, Rebirth was my last EP. Okay, actually it was about my journey so far.
Yeah.
Like you said, my fans, they've been missing me all this while.
Okay.
So the comments I see, it's always amazing. Like people want me to come back, both on TikTok, Instagram, all social media handles. If I go out, the comments I see is always, oh my God. So the why I gave you Rebirth is like I'm seeing myself like I'm coming back in a better way.
Okay.
Because I think I've learned a lot of lessons in the industry. I'm experienced now, more experienced. So I think I am coming out like a new person entirely.
Okay.
Should I say if I say I'm coming out like an upcoming artist? Of course.
Make it make sense, okay?
No. People might not make sense to you, but I'm seeing myself like I'm coming out like a new artist entirely, because the songs I'm coming out with is a different vibration. You understand? So I think I'm a new person. That's why I give the last EP Rebirth.
Okay.
So the Rebirth movement is still on.
Okay.
Even with my next EP, I might still give it something similar.
To Rebirth.
Of course, because I'm a new person entirely right now.
Okay. So you want to re-announce yourself,
of course,
and re-usher yourself into the industry again.
Exactly.
Okay, so that song that you're going to be dropping by October 21, is there any collaborations on it, or it's just you? Only you?
The one I'm dropping now is just only myself.
Just only you.
Of
okay,
course.
But there is a collaboration.
Yeah. Don't worry. When the time comes, I'll let you know about that.
Okay. So we shouldn't be too fast.
I don't want to rush. Yeah, I have a lot of things coming.
Okay. So you are
should
back
expect a lot
now.
from me, of course.
You are back fully.
I'm back fully. This is my passion. This is what I like doing.
So it's not time to play the real game.
Exactly.
All right. You guys have heard from him. Assorted is back. So go get ready, go and dust your speakers, because this time around, he's not taking it easy on us. All right, we're going to be going on another break. And when we come back, we're going to be doing something very fun.
All right, no, I did for you.
You did for me, right? Okay, no problem. Let's see. When we go on this break and come back, we're going to be finding out how much I did for you. Assorted actually did for us on the show tonight. If you're just joining us, I'm super sorry for you, because you've really missed out on a whole lot. But nevertheless, you can still, stick around to catch up with more, because we still have more fun to go down here. Tonight, I'm still joined by Assorted, the crooner of Kporonge Baby and other amazing songs. And it's not time for us to digress a little bit, from talking to doing something very fun right here on the show. So Assorted said he is ready and he's going to beat us to our game tonight. Was that not what you said?
Exactly.
Exactly. Okay. So we have, this very special surprise package that we usually give to all our guests on the show.
Okay.
Are you ready? Do you love surprises?
I hope it's a simple one.
You hope it's a simple one. Okay. So you don't like hard things?
I don't like hard things.